Assalamualaikum. Welcome to my YouTube channel GK with Rida. Today we are going to discuss PMS GK paper 2006. Question number 1 is, which Russian oil and gas company provided oil and gas to European countries? Gazprom company. Question number 2, which planet has the maximum number of satellites? Jupiter. Question number 3, which is the largest planet in the solar system? Jupiter. Question number 4. What was the main reason of disqualification of Ariel Sharon for office of PM of Israel? Illness. Question number 5. Which blood vessels carry blood from different parts of the body to heart? Veins. Question number 6. What are the two seas linked by Suez Canal? The Mediterranean Sea and Red Sea. Question number 7. Diego Garcia is a United States military base in Indian Ocean. Question number 8. In which year European rulers captured Palestine from the Muslims in Crusade War? 1099. Question number 9. What is Kremlin? Kremlin is offices of Russian government. Question number 10. A mass of ice originating in mountains in snowfields above the snow line is called glacier. Question number 11. What is the diameter of Earth? 12,756 km. Question number 12. What is the freezing point of heavy water? 3.82 degrees Celsius. Question number 13. How many satellites of Saturn? 62. Question number 14. Which of the following died of natural death? Indira Gandhi, Mahatma Gandhi, Rajiv Gandhi. None of the above. They were all assassinated. Question number 15. What is Ivy League? Ivy League is a group of 8 universities in USA. Question number 16. Every action has reaction which are equal but in opposite direction. This law is called Newton's third law of motion. Question number 17. Who is the current president of France? Emmanuel Macron. Question number 18. First ambassador of Pakistan to UNO was Ahmad Shah Patras Bukhari. Question number 19. Which of the following countries is not the member of G8? China, Russia, USA, Japan. China. Question number 20. Hepatitis is a viral disease of which body part? Liver. Question number 21. Taliban's movement was started in 1994 from which city of Afghanistan? Kandahar. Question number 22. Which cities of Pakistan and Iran are linked through railway line? Quetta and Zahedan. Question number 23. Haifa is the seaport of which country? Israel. Question number 24. Head office of UNESCO is located in Paris. Question number 25. What is the main cause of earthquakes? Volcanic activities, tectonic plate movements, tectonic dislocation. All of the above are the reasons of earthquakes. Question number 26. Digital divide term is related with socio-economic difference in technology era. Question number 27. In which year Greenwich Mean Time GMT was established? 1884. Question number 28. Who is the author of book Struggle for Pakistan? I.H. Qureshi. Question number 29. Which is the third founding member of ECO RCD except Pakistan and Iran? Turkey. Question number 30. How many zeros are there in 1 trillion? There are 12 zeros. Question number 31. Who was the first Asian to have received the Nobel Prize? Rabindranath Tagore. Question number 32. What is the name of the place where World Trade Center was located? Ground Zero. Question number 33. 10th conference of ECO was held in 2009 in which country? Iran. Question number 34. What is meant by amicus curiae? A person invited to advise a lower court on a matter of law in a case. Question number 35. What is meant by nuclear fission? Atom splits into two masses. Question number 36. The Muslim people of Xinjiang province are called Ghor. Question number 37. A group of Christianity that emphasizes the authority of Bible and importance of personal salvation through faith is called. They are called evangelical Christians. Question number 38. Litani River is located in which country? Lebanon. Question number 39. What is Ikebana? Ikebana is Japanese art of flower arrangement. Question number 40. Gestapo was the secret police organization of which country? Russia. Question number 41. Which flower is national floral symbol of Pakistan? Jasmine. Question number 42. Diabetes is a disease of which body part? Pancreas. Question number 43. Which are primary colors? Red, blue and green. Question number 44. Which wonder of world is situated in Iraq? Hanging Garden. Question number 45. What is the main cause of failure of Pakistan, India, Iran gas pipeline project? Economic and political pressure of USA. Question number 46. What is Paria state? A state which is not acceptable to the world and is avoided by every country. Question number 47. The term track to diplomacy is used for managing relations between two countries using unofficial. Question number 48. Which is the oldest stock exchange of the world? Amsterdam Stock Exchange. Question number 49. Pakistan State Bank started working on 1st July 1948 with the help of 30 million rupees. Question number 50. Al Hilal newspaper is associated with Maulana Abdul Kalam Azad. Question number 51. Which country gave the right of monarchy to women by amending the constitution recently? 2006. Japan. Question number 52. Which of the following inventions is the oldest? Clock, microscope, barometer, cycle. Clock is the oldest. बाकी सारी उसके बाद आई थी. Question number 53. What is Holocaust? Killing of Jews during World War II. Question number 54. In E is equal to mc square, what is c? Velocity of light. Question number 55. Myopia is a defect of vision of distant objects. Question number 56. Who is called the father of modern psychology? Sigmund Freud. Question number 57. Who was the first chief minister of Punjab province? Abdul Rab Nishtar. Question number 58. French Muslim football star Zidane by birth belongs to which country? Question number 59. What is choreography? Choreography is art of dancing. Question number 60. Doctrine of necessity was used in the case for the first time in the history of Pakistan. Maulvi Tamizuddin versus state case. Question number 61. AWACS is an abbreviation of Airborne Warning and Control System. Question number 62. Where is Golden Gate situated? San Francisco, USA. Question number 63. Writ of habeas corpus means a writ direct to the person detaining another and commanding him to produce the body of the prisoner at a certain time and place with the day and cause of his capture and detention. Question number 64. When the stock market is falling down, it is called bearish. Question number 65. Which river crosses the equator twice? Congo River. Question number 66. The headquarters of Asian Development Bank ADB is located at Manila, Philippines. Question number 67. Night blindness is caused by lack of which vitamin? Vitamin A. Question number 68. Who is the conqueror of Central Asia? Qutaiba bin Muslim. Question number 69. Who is the author of India Wins Freedom? Maulana Abdul Kalam Azad. Question number 70. A History of God is written by Karen Armstrong. Question number 71. Which of the following countries is situated below the sea level? Finland, Switzerland, Switzerland, Holland, Netherlands is situated below the sea level. Question number 72. The Spirit of Islam book was written by Sayyid Amir Ali. Question number 73. Akhori Dam is located in KPK, Khyber Pakhtunkhwa. Question number 74. Taklamakan Desert is located in China. Question number 75. Khalil Gibran belonged to which country? Lebanon. Question number 76. Headquarters of World Economic Forum is situated in Geneva, Switzerland. Question number 77. Qutbuddin Aibak, ruler of subcontinent, died while playing the polo or chokan. Question number 78. Babur's tomb is situated in Kabul. Question number 79. Babur came to India originally from Farghana. Question number 80. Which of the following king's tomb is not situated in subcontinent? Babur, Jahangir, Akbar, Aurangzeb. बाबर tomb is situated in Kabul और बाकी जहांगीर, अकबर और औरंगजेब के सब कॉन्टिनेंट में है. Question number 81. Which is the largest state of India? Uttar Pradesh. Question number 82. Which of the following women prime minister has longest tenure? इंदिरा गांधी, बेनज़ीर भुट्टो, जैकिंद्रा आर्डन, बंद्रा नायका. इनमें से बंद्रा नायका लॉन्गेस्ट टेन्योर है. Question number 83. Harry Potter is the famous character of which author? J.K. Rowling. Question number 84. Chromosomes are made up of DNA as a main component. Question number 85. Which vitamin is provided by sunlight to human body? Vitamin D. Question number 86. Alzheimer's disease in human being is caused by the degeneration of which cells? Nerve cells. Question number 87. Which of the following civilization is located on the bank of Tigris River? Sumerian civilization. Question number 88. USA film industry Hollywood is located in California. Question number 89. Who defeated the Mongols in 14th century? Ruknuddin Barbar. Question number 90. What is the meaning of Vishnu? The preserver. Question number 91. Which is the biggest oil field of Iraq? Kirkuk oil field. Question number 92. Who is the current ambassador of Pakistan to USA? Rizwan Saeed Sheikh. Question number 93. Who was the president of USA during World War I? Woodrow Wilson. Question number 94. What will be the total nuclear energy in Pakistan after completing the Chashma nuclear power plant 2? 787 megawatt. Question number 95. Diet is the name of parliament of which country? Japan. Question number 96. In which year Egypt nationalized the Suez Canal? 1956. Question number 97. Silicon Valley is located in which state of USA? California. Question number 98. What is Armageddon? A final battle between nations which will end the world. Question number 99. Salisbury is the old name of Harare. Question number 100. What is H5N1? It is a virus. So this is the paper of PMS GK 2006. You can find the link of other PMS GK papers in the description box, and kindly subscribe the channel if you like the video. Thank you for watching.